A very warm good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying safe at home. Now get ready for new happy learning video. So take out your GK book, open page number 23, chapter number 4. Electoral terms. What do you mean by electoral? Relating to elections or electors. Electoral systems are the detailed constitutional arrangements and voting system that convert the vote into a political decision. The first step is to tally the votes, for which various vote counting system and ballot types are used. Voting systems then determine the result on the basis of the tally. Elections in India are often called as the biggest dance of democracy. There are many terms that are associated with the electoral process. Using the clues given below, complete the crossword puzzle by filling in the appropriate word. So here are some statements and some clues. You have to complete this crossword puzzle with the appropriate word. First one, the study of elections, patterns of voting and results forecasting. The study of elections, patterns of voting and results forecasting. Psephology. Number 5, any decision or take involving two groups. Bilateral. Number 7, an options available in the voting machine if the voter choose not like any candidate. An option available in the voting machine if the voter does not like any candidate. Nota. A geographically defined area in which voters elect their representative. Constituency. 9. A survey conducted on selected voters right away after they leave the polling booth. Exit polls. 10. Voters whose votes are unpredictable as they do not support any particular political party or ideology. Swing voters. Now number 2. To discontinue a session of any legislative body without dissolving it. Prorogation. Number 3. Support given by two political parties that usually oppose each other. Bipartisan. Number 4. The person who votes on behalf of someone legally or illegally. Proxy. Number 6. A process in which the legislative district of an area are revised. Districting. The nota, none of the above. The full form of nota is none of the above. Button was first used in Chhattisgarh in their local government elections in 2009. First कब यूज हुआ था नोटा? Means none of the button was first used in छत्तीसगढ़. छत्तीसगढ़ में हुआ था in their local government elections in 2009. कब हुआ था? In 2009 in their local government elections. Nota option is available in the voting machine if the voter does not like any candidate. Now open page number 27, test paper 1. A. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dash is the capital of Meghalaya, Shillong. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Number 2. We must throw wrappers or garbage in a trash bin. It means dustbin. Number 3. A voter ID card is issued by the Dash of India. The voter ID card is issued by the Election Commission of India. Number 4. Dash is the first person to be awarded the Jnanpith Award. G. Shankara Kurup. G. Shankara Kurup is the first person to be awarded the Jnanpith Award. Number 5. The process of afforestation helps to resolve the problem of climate change. Elephanta caves are located in the state of Maharashtra. Dash is the option that the voter can press in the voting machine if the voter does not like any candidate. Nota. Nota is the option that the voter can press in the voting machine if the voter does not like any candidate. B. Answer the following questions. Number 1. This state is called the paradise of the botanists. Arunachal Pradesh. Number 2. This place is famous for its high mountain passes. Its too was recently converted into a union territory, Ladakh. This place is famous for its high mountain passes. It too was recently converted into a union territory, Ladakh. 3. This document is issued by the registrar and is an official proof or declaration of a couple being married, marriage certificate. Number 4. What is called the study of elections, patterns of voting and results forecasting? Psephology. Number 5. Who is the youngest woman to be awarded the Ashok Chakra? Nirja Bhanot. Number 6. He is the founder and chairman of Bharti Enterprises, which is the parent company of Airtel, Sunil Bharti Mittal. Number 7. Which problem of the soil makes a piece of land unfit for growing plants? Erosion. Which problem of the soil makes a piece of land unfit for growing plants? Erosion. C. Write true or false for the following statement. Here are some statements and you have to mention which statement is true and which statement is false. Number 1. We must not share our passwords. True. We should not share our personal information with others. Number 2. India currently has 29 states and 7 union territories. False. India currently has 28 states and 9 union territories. 3. Number 3. The name of Meghalaya means the adobe of clouds in Sanskrit. True. Number 4. It is alright to wear an untidy and dirty uniform to school. False. Number 5. Decimal system and the place value system were developed in India in 100 BC. True. Number 6. The USB was developed and designed by an Indian-American computer architect, Ajay V. Bhatt. True. Number 7. Manas Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in Rajasthan. False. Now come to page number 33, chapter number 21, quiz on birds. And birds are the most beautiful creature of God. We see different kinds of birds. Birds are the only creature that have feathers on its body. Birds makes us jealous. They can fly anywhere, anytime. Birds हमें jealous feel कराती है because वो fly कर सकती हैं कहीं पर भी और किसी time भी. They can do whatever they want. They sometimes fly alone, sometimes with group. In any case, they form an important part of our ecosystem. Can you answer some of the questions mentioned below regarding birds? Number 1. In which country was the pigeon race introduced as a sport? कौन सी country में pigeon race को introduce किया था as a sport? Belgium, Canada and Greece. Right answer is Belgium. So, in which country was the pigeon race introduced as a sport? Belgium. Number 2. The smallest living bird is Paralodidae, gold-headed cisticola and bee hummingbird. Right answer is C, bee hummingbird. The smallest living bird is bee hummingbird. Number 3. What is found on the beak of the turkey? Snoid, snoot or snook? Right answer is B, snoot. Snoot is found on the beak of a turkey. Number 4. In which country are parrots not found in the wild? कौन सी कंट्री में पैरेट नहीं फाउंड किए जाते हैं? आयरलैंड, अमेरिका और इंडिया. राइट आंसर इज ए, आयरलैंड. In which country are parrot not found in the wild? Ireland. Number 5. The figure of which bird is found on Mexico's national flag? कौन से बर्ड की फिगर मिलती है हमारे को? देखते हैं हम मैक्सिकोस नेशनल फ्लैग पर. नंबर 1 ईगल, बी कीवी, सी किंगफिशर. राइट आंसर इज ए, ईगल. So figure of which bird is found on a Mexico's national flag? Eagle. Number 6. Which bird is considered a symbol of peace? कौन सी बर्ड को शांति का प्रतीक माना जाता है? हिरन, ब्लूबर्ड और डव. राइट आंसर इज सी, डव. Which bird is considered a symbol of peace? Dove. Number 7. Which bird lives in a group of 7 and is very noisy? कौन सी बर्ड ग्रुप में रहती है? 7 बर्ड्स के ग्रुप में रहती है और बहुत नॉइसी होती है. ऑप्शंस आर पैरेट, ब्लू मैगपाई एंड सी जंगल बैबलर. राइट आंसर इज सी, जंगल बैबलर. तो विच बर्ड लिव्स इन अ ग्रुप ऑफ 7 एंड इज वेरी नॉइसी? जंगल बैबलर. नंबर 8. विच ऑफ दीज इज नॉट अ बर्ड? इसमें से कौन सी बर्ड नहीं है? ऑप्शंस आर A. Goose, B. Bat, C. Turkey. Right answer is B. Bat. Which of these is not a bird? Bat. Number 9. Which bird cannot fly? Flightless bird. A. Emu, B. White stork, C. Whooper swan. Right answer is A. Emu. Which bird cannot fly? Emu. Emu is a flightless bird. 10. The retina of nocturnal birds mostly contains. What do you mean by nocturnal? Nocturnals are the birds that wake and active at night and asleep during the day. जो रात में जागने वाले होते हैं और दिन में सोने वाले होते हैं. So the retina of nocturnal birds mostly contain A. rods, B. tendons, C. muscles. Right answer is A. rods. The retina of nocturnal birds mostly contains rods. Like all the birds of prey, eagles have large and hooked beaks. Eagles के पास large और hooked beaks होती हैं, muscular legs and powerful talons. They are known as one of the strongest birds because of their ability to carry heavy loads, the heaviest being recorded as 6.9 kg. Now come on page number 36, chapter number 24, plants that yield timber. What do you mean by yield? Yield means to produce or to provide crops. So plants are very useful to us. We get food from plants. We make lots of things from plants. We get furniture, paper from plants. So plants are very useful in our daily life. Plants also gives us oxygen and makes our surroundings clean. Timber plants are generally medium or large trees. They are felled for wood, which is used for making paper or for construction purposes. These are various types of timber trees. Trees of soft, semi-hard and hardwood. Identify the type of timbers tree by filling in the missing letters with the help of the information provided. So here are some lines or statements about the trees. So we have to mention which statement is indicate about the which tree. Number 1. This tree is a unique plant and is grown in abundance across the world. This tree is strong, flexible and durable. The timber acquired from this tree is used in paper, vinyl, window, blinds, fishing rods, ladders, scaffolding, carving and flute. हम इस ट्री की हम किस चीज के लिए यूज करते हैं? वुड, पेपर बनाने के लिए, लैडर्स बनाने के लिए, फ्लूट्स बनाने के लिए. विच ट्री इज दिस? बैम्बू ट्री. Number 2. This tree provides timber of very high quality. ये जो ट्री है वो बहुत हाई क्वालिटी का टिम्बर प्रोवाइड करता है. The timber can withstand exposure to water. This tree is grown commercially in nearly all continents. This timber is easy to work on and is used for making furniture and cabinets. Which timber is this? Mahogany. Number 3. This tree is strong, durable and straight-grained. The timber from this tree is generally used for light construction such as firewood, homeware and wine barrels. Which tree is this? Oak. Number 4. This tree is a source of premium timber. The type of timber acquired for this tree is a specialist hardwood. It is used extensively for the interiors. The timber is quite durable, of medium density, and has a natural moderate luster. Which tree is this? Walnut. Number 5. This tree is a source of hard, fibrous and close-grained wood. The timber cannot be polished properly though. The tribal people use the leaves of this tree for making rice cakes. These leaves are also used making platters, bowls and small baskets. Which tree is this? Sal. Number 6. This is a large deciduous tree native to India and is also known for its valuable timber. It has been used in India for more than 2000 years. It derives its name from the Malayalam word tika. It is extensively used to make furniture. Which tree is this? Teak. Now, come to Unit 4 Sports. Open page number 21, chapter number 27, Asian Games. Asian Games, also known as ASIAD, is a continental multi-sport event held every 4 years among athletes from all over Asia. The Games was regulated by the Asian Games Federation from the first Games in New Delhi, India. There have been 9 nations that have been hosted the Asian Games. The most recent Games was held in Jakarta and Palembang, Indonesia from 18 August to 2nd September 2018. Asian Games, also known as ASIAD, are regional games and are organized by the Olympic Council of Asia. Similar to the Olympics, these games too are held on every 4 years. The games are conducted for the men and women athletes of Asia countries that are affiliated with the International Olympic Committee. Mentioned below are few questions regarding the Asian Games. How many can you answer? Number 1. When were the first Asian Games held? A. 1947, B. 1951, C. 1966 and D. 1973. Right answer is B. 1951. When were the first Asian Games held? 1951. Number 2. Who was the first Indian athlete to win the gold medal in javelin throw at the Asian Games? Dhanraj Pillai, Anu Rani, Shivpal Singh or Neeraj Chopra? Right answer is D. Neeraj Chopra. Number 3. Which country hosted the 2018 Asian Games? China, Indonesia, Thailand, India. Right answer is B. Indonesia. Number 4. Who is the first Indian woman to win a gold at the Asian Games? A. P.T. Usha, B. Sania Mirza, C. Kamaljit Sandhu and Karnam Malleshwari. Right answer is C. Kamaljit Sandhu. Number 5. In which country were the first Indian Games held? कौन सी कंट्री में फर्स्ट इंडियन गेम्स हुए थे? A. India, B. Singapore, C. China, D. Japan. Right answer is A. India. Number 6. The Asian Games work under the umbrella of the Asian Sports Federation, United Nations, Olympic Council of India, Wide World of Sports. Right answer is C. Olympic Council of India. Number 7. By defeating Japan's Yuki Iri, Vinesh Phogat became the first Indian woman wrestler to win gold at the 2018 Asian Games. She won gold in the Greco-Roman wrestling 55 kg, Greco-Roman wrestling 59 kg, freestyle 55 kg category and freestyle 50 kg category. Right answer is D. Freestyle 50 kg category.